Stacy Bum Bum here. Coming to you from the front of my house. We have a blizzard going on here. If you're from the Mid-Atlantic region, you'd know. Let me just show you a bit. Let's see. This is our bushes out front. Look at that. My dad kind of snowblowed the driveway, but look at this on the side here. It's like so freaking much. Like compared to like my hand right here. Just, my mom could barely walk earlier in the snow. It was like knee deep in all that crap. Look at the bushes. You can barely see them. It's crazy. Santa Claus over there. Look at the truck. So much freaking snow. Poor guy over there shoveling it all. Oh yeah. Feel bad for the birds. Their bird's nest is all snowed in. A little bit of the mailbox sticking out. Look at this crap. I mean, God. My foot is like completely submerged in this crap. So much. Check this out. Some neighborhood kids sledding down our street because it hasn't even been plowed at all. Yeah, our neighborhood never gets plowed. There's poor Santa Claus. Yeah. Less than a week before Christmas, we get this big old blizzard. Thankfully, I got out of work early today. The wind is blowing it all off of there. I want to show you something right now. Here is our thing that usually doesn't come in use every year, but it has this year. It's our ruler for when it snows. And if you look closely, we're right about 16 inches for this nice blizzard of 2009. I just swept off my front porch all the snow that was on here, and take a look at this. This is where, see, my front porch it's like a step up from my yard and stuff. This is where my porch ends. It ends here, and here's where the snow is. Right here, look at that. Right there. That's how high the freaking snow is. Isn't it wonderful? And there's our hot tub. And our swing set is pretty much almost buried down there. My deck. All this freaking snow. That's supposed to be a wood pile right there. This is supposed to be our deck furniture. It's pretty much buried. Look at that. You see that little thing up there? That's the top of a lighthouse statue we have sitting on our table. And it's completely buried. This crap is too freaking cold. I don't know how much longer I can stay out here. I'm not even playing in the snow like I usually do. But it's one thing I gotta do before I go in. Gotta eat the snow. Yum.